Gentlemen, we direct your attention to front and center. Last year marked the 100th year of U.S. Coast Guard flying. Coast Guard has been involved in aviation since the beginning. Guess who helped the Wright brothers prepare their plane for their historic first flight? It was the crew of nearby Devils Hill, North Carolina, life-saving station led by John C. Daniels, who photographed the iconic event as well. All these years later, as we saw only too recently, the important job the U.S. Coast Guard does for us all. Brad Harwood, tell us about what you're about to do. Good afternoon, everyone. Arriving now is the MH-65 Dolphin from the U.S. Coast Guard Air Station Houston. Today we'll be demonstrating some of the capabilities of this aircraft with completing a search and rescue mission. Before we begin the demo, let me tell you some brief facts about the United States Coast Guard. When an average day includes saving 15 lives, assisting 114 people, seizing over $20 million worth of illegal drugs, and guiding 2,557 ships in and out of port, you better believe that we're ready for anything. This was illustrated perfectly during the week of August 27th when Hurricane Harvey struck the Texas coast. Nearly 30 aircraft and 400 pilots and aircrew from all over the U.S. flew nearly 1,000 flight hours and saved over 1,700 people in the wake of one of the most devastating storms in this country's history. That was more than all of fiscal year 2016. The MH-65 is now on scene searching for our simulated survivor. The Dolphin is capable of speeds up to 175 knots and is equipped with one of the most advanced avionics packages of any military helicopter. However, finding a person in the water can be very difficult, so it's very important that boaters always wear their life jackets with striping and carry internationally recognized signaling devices such as flares to assist the Coast Guard in their search in person. Now the Dolphin helicopter will transition into forward flight to conduct an orbit around the swimmer and our simulated survivor until the rescue swimmer calls for pickup. The maneuver that the aircrew is showing you now is called a pirouette, which is basically sliding 360-degree turns down the runway. The equipment calls for the rescue basket, so the crew will now lower the basket to the rescue swimmer, and he will place the survivor in the basket to be hoisted up into the aircraft. As you can see, hoisting requires that the helicopter establish a position directly over the survivor to be hoisted. This is an extremely demanding operation, requiring exceptional teamwork, during which the pilot receives altitude and directional command from the flight mechanic in the navigation. When the helicopter is positioned directly over the people being hoisted, the pilot will lose sight of them. This is a crucial time during the rescue evolution in which commands given by the flight mechanic ensure proper obstacle clearance and the safe transit of the survivor from the vessel into the helicopter cabin. You can appreciate the skill of these pilots and air crew members when you picture the scene being done, as it frequently happens on a dark and overcast night, in driving rain, high speed, and very strong winds. Once the survivor is safely inside the cabin of the aircraft, the crew will lower the hoist cable to the submarine into the aircraft. The rescue swimmer is being hoisted back up into the aircraft, and the crew will now prepare the aircraft to transition to forward flight. Once the crew and the patient are stable enough for the helicopter to start transitioning into forward flight, they will head to the nearest medical center or airport to transport the survivor to be treated further. If the Coast Guard has any prior knowledge of any injuries involving major trauma, a Coast Guard medical corpsman or flight surgeon may act as a crewman to stabilize and treat the victim. The helicopter that you're watching today responds to calls spanning from Matagorda Bay, Texas, all the way to White Lake, Louisiana, covering more than 225 shoreline miles. Air station personnel and aircraft are on call 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, to assist distressed persons or vessels. This crew, along with approximately 75 personnel from Air Station Houston, maintains and operates 3 MH-65 Dolphins, which are located here at Ellington Field. Today, the crew of the MH-65 Dolphin, the 2 pilots, Lieutenant Amanda Montour, whose family is in town watching the show, seated in the Eagle Squadron section, so a quick shout out for them, and Lieutenant Alan Carroll. Our flight mechanic today has probably the most difficult name at the air station to pronounce, but I'm going to give it the old college try. Petty Officer Lokaka Hele Polole. And our rescue swimmer today is Petty Officer Andrew Wilson. Today's simulated survivor was played by Seaman Jose Villegas. It's an honor to serve you and the Houston community. Thank you all.
Greg, thank you. Thank you for your service. Let's hear it for the Coast Guard. They were here for you, Houston, big time. And while you're at it, the volunteers, too.